I grew up in Aba and Port Harcourt. I was born in Port Harcourt, but grew up in Aba. I came to Enugu in 2005 and schooled in Enugu. I love traveling, I love reading, I love adventures, and I love experimenting new things. Oh, my sales record. Well, there's nothing much. I love what I do. I'm passionate about it. I do my best, and then grace takes over. Wow. The coast city is another name for Enugu State. It's a wonderful state, very cool, and with a serene environment. There's no doubt saying that when you make money in Nigeria, come down to Enugu and spend it because of how conducive the atmosphere is. And the coast city also have different delicacies that you enjoy. I say it's a wonderful state. Wow, what really attracted me to Florida City is the flexible payment plan. Most of my clients do complain that in as much as they would love to buy from me, but the payment plan is really kind of cumbersome for them. So when Florida City came out and has a 1-year payment plan, so it was an awesome thing for them, so they had to jump into it. And secondly, it has a wonderful title, CFO, Certificate of Occupancy. And it is in a very serene environment, very close to Accra International Airport, 15 minutes drive to Opera Square, and 5 minutes to Adoration Ground. Florida also has PVs. That's a wonderful thing about it. So as you're selling and making your commission, you're also getting PVs for yourself. Well, the advice I have for the up-and-coming PVOs is to take their work seriously, be passionate about it, be committed to it. P1 gave me the platform. I was born a star, but P1 gave me the platform to shine. Flourish City was actually the first land I bought for myself because of the flexible payments plan and how serious I was making my sales and using my commission to secure my own plot. So they should take whatever they are doing seriously. No one should play with his or her job. Create awareness, do your recruitment, and more PVs, because PVs is going to be something great in the future that you might even not understand now. So take what you're doing very, very serious.